We truly are living during the most extraordinary times ever in human history. My challenge for you is to avoid complacency. You're here, congratulations. It's the first step. There's no way for us to truly fathom how fast the world is changing. That's why we built this institution, to become a resource for you for the rest of your lives. We live in a world of rapidly accelerating technology, computation, artificial intelligence, robotics, augmented and virtual reality, digital manufacturing, genomics, biotechnology, sensors, networks, and nanotechnology. Your mission is not to climb the Forbes list. It's to discover in you what is the world's biggest problems that you want to change, that you want to put an end to because you can.